आज हम जिस टाइगर हिल के सामने खड़े हैं 14,200 एल्टीट्यूड पर, यहाँ तक हम एक पक्की ब्लैक टॉपिंग रोड से पहुंच गए। लेकिन सोचिए 1999 में ये रास्ता सिर्फ पत्थर, बर्फ और मौत का था, और उसी मौत को मार्क डी 16 ग्रेनेड प्लेटून कमांडर सूबेदार योगेंद्र यादव, जिन्होंने सीधे क्लिफ चढ़कर दुश्मन के बंकर तक पहुंचकर टाइगर हिल पर तिरंगा लहराया, फॉर व्हिच ही वाज ऑनर्ड विद परमवीर चक्र फॉर हिज ब्रेवरी एक्ट। ये सिर्फ एक पहाड़ी नहीं, ये उस जुनून का सबूत है जो कारगिल के वीरों ने दिखाया। सैल्यूट टू द सोल्जर्स ऑफ 1999 जिन्हें हार का मतलब नहीं पता था। We are honored to be in the presence of a living legend, a man who not only wore the uniform with pride, but who led from the front during the 1991 and 1999 Kargil War, a man who led the victory of 1999 Kargil War. Sir, thank you for your service and thank you for joining us. Could you please define one moment that took you back to the battle of 1999, and how does this war victory meant to you after 26 years later?
When I heard to the NOKs, the family members of the martyrs, I was emotionally charged. My memory went back to each moment of the war that had taken place, in which I was part of in Badalik sector, Juvaril operation, and the whole battle went through my mind like a movie, and I was feeling grateful and very emotionally wanted to pay my homage to all the martyrs of that particular operation and during Kargil war. And by coming here, my feelings got further rejuvenated and strengthened. And I wanted to then feeling more committed that I must keep doing some job which conveys to the whole of the country that you must keep doing something, you must spare your time in some manner to do something for the country. One, whichever job you are doing, be truthful and be whatever is good for the country. Don't do anything which is not good for the country. And even if you are not actively participating, do something that you can feel proud of as an Indian, and the whole of India can be proud that we are Indian.
Right. We also wanted to know from a living legend, Major General Asim Kohli retired. How do you see the strength of India after the Operation Sindoor?
Trend of?
After the strength of Indian Armed Forces after Operation Sindoor.
Okay. We learned from Kargil war, and we were already preparing for a more of technical war. Operation Sindoor was more of manifestation of a technical war, because borders were not crossed by any men. It was all through drones or missiles or by Air Force. So the importance of technology was very prominently seen and felt by, and I will say even tested by the Indian Armed Forces, and the whole of country, and the country leadership also understood that you have to be in sync with the modern technology in case you have to fight any future war. It was a very small example of a future war. I am sure our all three armed forces and the country leadership has taken the correct lesson, and will be better prepared for any future war.
Thank you very much, sir, for your word. That was Major General Asim Kohli, retired. His words has echoed beyond these mountains on this very sacred day. We also bow our heads to honors to the martyrs and also the veterans like Major General Asim Kohli, retired. सिर्फ 25 साल के थे कैप्टन निकेजको केंगुर से नागालैंड के इस वीर पुत्र ने कारगिल की जान में अपनी जान देकर जीत लिखी थी भारत के नाम। 28 जून 1999 बर्फीली चट्टान, दुश्मन की गोलियां और एक जवान जो अपने जूते उतार कर नंगे पैर चढ़ गए थे ऊंचाई पहाड़ सिर्फ एक मिशन के लिए, तिरंगा कमान। 4 पाकिस्तानी घुसपैठियों को मार गया, खुद गोली से घायल होने के बाद भी पीछे नहीं हटे। उसकी शहादत ने हमारी सेना को जीत दिलाई और उनका नाम बन गया एक मिसाल। कैप्टन निकेजको केंगुरुसे को दिया गया महावीर चक्र उनकी बलिदान को हर हिंदुस्तानी का नमन है। आज जब हम कारगिल विजय दिवस मानते हैं, उन जैसे वीरों को याद करना हमारी फर्ज है। कैप्टन निकेजको केंगुर से आप अमर रहे। जय हिंद। मैं थजो टाउन क्रॉस सुदर्शन न्यूज चैनल के लिए करगिल वॉर मेमोरियल से।